Good morning, students. Hope you are fine at home, and I wish for you sincerely that you remain safe. Now, today we will see the last phase of the lesson on India is location, extent, and its neighbor. Today we will discuss about the neighbors of India or India's neighbor on page 87. You can open your book and see for yourself. India has many neighboring countries. Though it is situated at the southern part of Asia, still we have quite many neighbors around us. These include Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west. You see Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, this area. And in your lesson, in your book on page number 85, you see the white part of it. Afghanistan shares a small boundary. Afghanistan on the topmost, you can see Afghanistan on topmost the map of India over the Jammu and Kashmir. You see the Afghanistan. Afghanistan shares its boundary here, just top here, this Afghanistan, just a little bit, and then Pakistan. Okay, Afghanistan here, just little bit only, and it's almost none. And then Pakistan, that is in the west. Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Myanmar and Bangladesh in the inside here, you see. In the Bangladesh white part, that is in the east, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Next one is China, Bhutan, Nepal in the north. In the north we have got the China, this yellow part, Bhutan in the violet, and Nepal in the violet, and Bhutan here, a little bit here, small violet spot is given. That is in your book it is white patch. The Bhutan also is given in white color. So Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal and China, these are our neighbors. Next one is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka and Maldives, you have here Sri Lanka and Maldives here. Maldives, the last one, Maldives here, last one, and the Indian Ocean, you see that Maldives is given. Maldives and Sri Lanka in the south. So west, east it is given, or north China, Nepal, Bhutan, south Sri Lanka, Maldives, in the east Myanmar and Bangladesh, and in the west Afghanistan and Pakistan. So these are our neighbors. So remember them. Now Sri Lanka is separated with what called Strait and Gulf of Myanmar. Myanmar is separated from Gulf of Myanmar, and Sri Lanka Palk Strait. So they are actually not. We don't have the boundaries, international boundaries, physical boundaries. It is the strait. Little strait is divides, right, and Gulf divides. So these are the important thing that I want to discuss with you here. Palk Strait, you can though it is not written, you should write in between Sri Lanka and India. In between Sri Lanka and India, you can write Palk Strait. And Gulf of Myanmar is just here. Gulf of Myanmar down south of the just it is written here. What is that? It is written Mizoram. Just there. This gulf that enters inside the landmass. Water body enters into the landmass. That gulf is a Gulf of Myanmar. We have also the Gulf. Another Gulf we have, that is Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of what is that? Gulf of Khambat. Yes, Khambat is there. Gulf of Khambat and Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. You see, in the map of Gujarat, you will see the Gulf. There are two gulfs. That the jaw of Bangladesh, you see jaw size. That is jaw shape, and in between the land and the between two land masses inside water bodies gets into. Here two gulfs are there. Gulf of Khambat and Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch is yes, and Khambat. Yes, these two gulfs are there. So India has also 28 states and 9 union territories. You please correct this one. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. It is no more now 29 states. It is a 28 states. 28 states and 9 union territories. Not 7 union territories, 9 union territories. The 7 is included with another 2 newly formed union territories, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Ladakh is in the east side of Jammu and Kashmir. What is written there? See that on top, Jammu and Kashmir is in the west, and in the east is Ladakh. You can write there Ladakh. So now at present China and India bordering and have little disturbance on the border. That is about the states and union territories. We have 28 states and 9 union territories. Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, here it is not state of Jammu and Kashmir, it is now union territories of Jammu and Kashmir. Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat share their boundaries with Pakistan. Whereas Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh share their boundaries with China. Now it is, instead of writing Jammu and Kashmir here, second point, you write Ladakh. Union territories, UT of Ladakh. Ladakh shares Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh share their boundaries with China. I have told earlier also, so whenever we come for the class, please take the pencil in hand, and then so that you can underline or write down new things that are explained to you. The Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram share their borders with Myanmar. Indian states of Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, West Bengal share their borders with Bangladesh. So remember that. Indian states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Sikkim share their border with Nepal. Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, West Bengal share their border with Bhutan. So remember these points, and when we have to do the exercises over there, it is very easy to understand. It is not that difficult lessons, and please go through the points. I now know. This also is important. This also is very, very important. Now, here it is written words to know. Please note down. Words to know. Peninsula. Okay, what is the definition of peninsula? Strait. Gulf. I have told you to write other things also here. 8 questions. Gulf. Strait. Isthmus. Isthmus you have to add here. And 8 questions. I repeat those 8 questions. How many continents are there in the world? In which continent India is located? These are important questions, please. Which is the largest continent of the world? Which is the smallest continent of the world? What is the what called rank? What is the rank of India in terms of size and population? Two things here, in terms of size, in terms of population in the world. What is peninsula? What is strait? And what is isthmus? Okay, what is Gulf? What is Gulf? Ninth one is what is Gulf? It is already given, but then also you can write Gulf. What is Gulf? So, dear children, these are the few things I would like to discuss with you. Now, you can go through, please go through the videos first of all, and then try to find out the the answer to the questions that are given there. Inside questions are also important. Okay. Wish you all the best. Thank you.